Hi everyone, and welcome to Expat Home Opportunities. This week's offer takes us to Liguria, Italy. The property is located in Urbe in the province of Savona. Urbe is a small municipality in Liguria with approximately 700 inhabitants. It sits at about 540 meters above sea level. Because of its elevation and forested surroundings, Urbe has cooler summers than the coast, crisp clean air, and a very quiet atmosphere. Great if you want to escape the hustle without being completely isolated. Now, the house itself. It's an apartment in Acquabianca, one of the hamlets of Urbe, Savona province, Liguria. Fully restored and ready to move in. Living area, 50m2. Layout. Entrance, kitchen with living room, one double bedroom, one full bathroom plus a balcony. Additional features: independent heating, very low community fees, a condominium garden, no large garden or maintenance burdens. Ideal as a vacation home, for long stays in nature, or as a tranquil but affordable primary residence, especially if you can work remotely or are retired. Liguria is one of Italy's most picturesque regions. A narrow coastal strip with a lush, mountainous interior. It offers a blend of Mediterranean climate, forested hills, crystal clear rivers, and charming small towns. The sea is about 1 hour by car from Urbe, because it's inland but not too remote. The nearest major airport is Genoa Cristoforo Colombo. From there to Urbe by car, it takes roughly 50 minutes 1 hour, depending on route and traffic. Public transport lines, bus, serve Urbe, though schedules are less frequent than in urban areas. For medical care, there are solid options within reach. Ospedale San Paolo in Savona is the main hospital nearby. Ospedale Santa Corona in Pietraliguria is another important hospital in the province, providing several specialized medical services. Asking price, €19,000. In US dollars, approximately $20,500, depending on current exchange rates. In British pounds sterling, approximately £16,500. If you've been dreaming of a peaceful, affordable new permanent base surrounded by nature, this property might be what you've been searching for. Check the link to the listing in the description below.